Hi guys, welcome back to Focus Android. Now you can schedule your WhatsApp calls easily and never miss an important conversation again. In this video, I will show you how to set up a scheduled call step by step so you can stay organized and always on time. Okay, we start by opening the WhatsApp application. Then we move to the call section. Then we press the green call button. Here you can see 4 options at the top and you can select the fourth option, namely the schedule call. Next, you can choose the time, date, and time, and also the type of call, video call or regular call. Press on the bottom right corner to continue. Next, please select who this call will direct to, whether to individual or group. After selecting the call destination, please select again in the bottom right corner. And up to here, we have successfully created a call schedule.